Not all 6 firearms registered under Charlie Atong Ang were surrendered after the licenses to own and possess expired when the business magnate turned most wanted crime suspect flew the coop before the service of his arrest warrant. Thus, the lawyer who notarized the affidavit of loss of the missing firearm has been subpoenaed, even as a PNP detective team has been dispatched to Cambodia to seek help in the search for Ang. Orion Lesigas has more.
The PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group or CIDG is set to subpoena the lawyer who notarized the submitted affidavit of loss of the camp of Atong Ang in connection with the allegedly missing firearm of the businessman. According to CIDG NCR Chief Police Colonel John Giagi, this is to determine whether the signed affidavit was executed before or after the issuance of the warrants of arrest from Santa Cruz, Laguna RTC Branch 26 and Lipa RTC Branch 13 against the businessman. This came after the Firearms and Explosives Office or FEO canceled Ang's license to own and possess firearms and his firearm registration. The FEO immediately ordered the surrender of 6 firearms registered under Ang's name. However, after several days, only 5 firearms were turned over by Ang's camp. 1 firearm was declared missing.
Nagpa-receive tayo ng subpoena dosis tecum doon sa mga nagnotaryo to bring yung pertinent documents. Kailan ito isinabmit? Ano pa yung mga dokumento to support anong nangyari doon sa nawawalang isang baril? At totoo ba na linotaryo nila ito?
Meanwhile, the PNP CIDG has already received a total of 40 tips since the launch of its hotline for information leading to the whereabouts of Ang. Giagi insisted that Ang is still in the Philippines and is just constantly transferring locations. Authorities said there were no verified sightings of the fugitive businessman in Cambodia and Thailand, where he was allegedly hiding based on information obtained from a so-called whistleblower in the missing Sabungero case involving Julie Patidongan.
Actually, yung mga nakita nila is before na lumabas yung warrant of arrest. Na allegedly nakita nila, bumaba sa sasakyan, ganito, pumunta sa isang game farm na ganito, okay? Meron pa dyan is na-deliveran siya ng mga mamahaling mga seafoods. Yun yung mga natanggap natin.
As of now, the PNP CIDG has already scored 14 locations across the country since the court issued the warrant of arrest. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.